This is a book ball summary of the book The Energy Plan by James Collins. When did healthy eating become so complex? Every time you turn on the TV or read the news, a new nutrition strategy seems to be advocated by a wellness expert. The good news is that these are your antidote to extreme eating and fad diets. You've come to the right place if you're looking for good, science-based advice on what you should feed your body at the appropriate time. This isn't a diet, it's a foundation for lifelong healthy eating habits. Carbohydrates play a crucial role in your fitness. Think of food as fuel for peak performance. To begin, let's examine one of the most controversial fuels of all, carbohydrates. You might wonder if carbohydrates are necessary for light of the prevalence of low-carb diets. According to the author, the answer is a resounding yes. The carbohydrates you eat are stored in your muscles in a form called glycogen. Carbohydrates are stored in your muscles as glycogen and are used as fuel during high-intensity exercises, such as sprinting and hill climbing. If your carb supplies are used up, your legs start to feel like jelly. In endurance sports, this sensation is known as hitting the wall. So, if you know you'll be doing a hard physical workout, it's especially important to keep your carb supplies topped up. While a low-carb diet isn't the way to go, you should be mindful of how many carbohydrates you consume. The key here is to eat only as much carbohydrate as you require for your activity levels. An elite athlete, for example, might eat just 2 grams of carbs per kilo of body weight on her rest days, but she'll eat double that amount, 4 grams, on her training days. Low GI foods release energy into your body more slowly, while high GI foods give you a quick burst of energy, followed by an energy slump a few hours later. Eat fat, but be sure it is the right fat. Many of us have a troubled relationship with fat. But we should educate ourselves about fat so we can make better choices. Fat is important for your body to absorb certain vitamins, help your blood clot, and give your immune system a boost. It is also your body's most concentrated source of energy. There are good fats and bad fats. Trans fats are the worst and should be avoided. Then there are fats in your diet that you should try to reduce, mostly found in meat, butter, and cheese, but also in coconut oil. These are saturated fats. It's recommended that you consume no more than 10% of your daily calories from fats. Research suggests that substituting other fats for saturated fat can lower your risk of heart disease, although saturated fats haven't yet been proven to cause heart disease. In order to replace saturated fat, what type of fat should you use? The answer is polyunsaturated fats and monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats include olive oil, avocados, and nuts. Polyunsaturated fats include omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and mackerel, and some plant sources such as walnuts, which can help reduce muscle damage after a vigorous workout session. Drinking the right fluids in the right amounts will boost your energy. If you're finding this video to be enjoyable, show your support by liking it and subscribing to my channel for even more fantastic content. Your encouragement means everything to me, and drives me to keep creating videos for you. Drinking the right fluids will boost your energy, but failing to integrate fluids into your healthy eating plan can cause you to lag. Water is indispensable to your survival, and 73% of your muscle mass is composed of water. Not only does water help you digest your food and carry other nutrients around your body, but it also assists in keeping your body at the right temperature, similar to the radiator in a car's engine. When you exercise, you lose water through sweating. You can sweat up to 2.4 litres every hour, and lose more than 2% of your body weight during a serious exercise session. This water loss can reduce your physical performance by up to 50%. It can also result in mental impairment, such as poorer decision-making and reduced concentration. To combat dehydration, men should consume 2 litres of water a day, and women around 1.6 litres. You can check your hydration levels by monitoring the colour of your urine. When you're hydrated, your urine should be clear and plentiful. If your urine is darker than a pale yellow, you need to drink more. Caffeine also boosts your physical ability by making exercise feel less of an effort and improves performance in sports such as cycling, rowing, and long-distance running. Professional soccer players often take around 2 milligrams of caffeine per kilogram of body weight, about an hour before they begin a game. Energize your body with the right combination of foods on your plates twice a day. To use food to energize your body, combine the right foods in the right combinations on 2 daily plates. These plates should contain everything your body needs at mealtime, from fat to protein to carbohydrate to health-boosting fruits and vegetables to fluids. In order to create an energizing diet, you must first build your performance plate. Of course, before you can start putting together your performance plates, you'll need to know what a portion looks like. So, to clarify, 1 portion of protein is about the size of your palm. 1 portion of carbohydrate is a cupped handful. A portion of vegetables is 2 handfuls, and a portion of healthy fat is about the size of your thumb. There are 2 essential performance plates, a fueling plate and a post-training meal. The fueling plate should have 1 portion of protein, 1 portion of low GI carbohydrates, and 1 portion of either vegetables, fruit, or healthy fat. The maintenance plate contains 1.5 portions of protein and vegetables, 1 portion of healthy fat, and a smaller glass of fluids. Let your energy needs dictate your eating patterns. Energy demands vary from day to day, and so do your daily routines. Eat differently on a lazy Tuesday and an action-packed Saturday. On a medium day, you might have a training session in the early morning, a fueling snack at mid-morning, another fueling snack in the mid-afternoon, and a maintenance plate in the evening. You may find that you're hungry in the evenings at first because you're used to eating carbohydrates at night. However, this is normal and you can easily switch to a maintenance plate. On low days, have a maintenance plate for breakfast and dinner, and a fueling plate at lunchtime. This will ensure that you still have enough fuel to get through the afternoon. You don't have to rely on willpower alone to change your eating habits. The Olympic Village food hall at the 2012 Olympics was packed with healthy eating options. But among all the nutrition-packed meals on offer, there was something else too. A McDonald's restaurant. That's right, even in the Olympic Village, athletes had to withstand temptation. If you're going to start eating better, then you'll need to resist temptation too. Manage your environment and keep your kitchen stocked with healthy fats, low GI carbohydrates, and proteins that are low in saturated fats. To avoid temptation, eat enough for lunch and a mid-afternoon fueling or maintenance snack. Your hunger level should be lower than 8 out of 10 when you sit down for your evening meal. At meal times, aim for satisfaction instead of fullness. The Japanese practice harahachi, which means eating only until 80% full. Ensure that your environment does not contain too many distractions while you eat. Avoid listening to fast-paced music during dinner, as this can make you eat more quickly. As you get older, adjust your eating habits to keep your energy levels high. If you want to age exceptionally well, you should start thinking about your strategy while you're still relatively young. Martina Navratilova won the mixed doubles at the US Open just before her 50th birthday. As you age, your resting metabolic rate decreases, so you need to eat fewer calories and increase your protein consumption. As we age, our muscle mass reduces, and we gradually get weaker. Protein helps you reduce and reverse these losses, but you must give your body the right kind of protein. To age healthfully, eat as many different fruits and vegetables as you can. Top your cereal with berries or include vegetables with your lunch and dinner. We hope this video provided valuable insights and information for you. How do you keep your energy levels high? Harahachi or protein consumption? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and until next time.